Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1955 Ford F100 killer truck, guys. All steel, professionally built truck. Really nicely done. It's finished in a sunset bronze metallic, and then it's got ghost flames as you walk around. I don't know how well that's going to video, but as you walk around it, it's got some ghost flames in it. Beautifully done trucks. 850 miles on it since the truck was completed. Gentleman that bought it from said this has been a this is what people don't understand. He said it's took him years to get this thing done. Because it's expensive, it's time consuming, and it's expensive unless you just got, 100 grand to just throw at it. But beautiful truck. It's all steel. Fun truck to drive, man. It's got a wicked little 351 Cleveland underneath the hood with that Edelbrock Performer Series kit. I think it's 430 horse, AOD trans, beautiful interior. It's just a cool truck, man. I like the chrome reversed wheels. It's kind of got that old school look with a little bit of a hot rod drivetrain. That's, like I say, just a blast to drive. Pretty truck. Paint on the truck is very nice. There's a couple little kind of blemishes I'll try to point out in it, but not a whole lot to really nitpick. And again, as we walk around, those ghost flames will change. You really kind of got to be up on it to really see them. That just come off. Chrome and stainless, you can see that stuff's been all redone. New bumpers. Truck hits the road great. It's got one of those Ford flip front ends. Again, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but you can see just like a little bit of a blemish in the paint there. I saw a couple. I know there's touch-up mark that needs to be done there. Again, all new glass. The wipers do work. He's got the wipers do actually work. He just never put wiper arms on them. Said he never planned to drive it in the rain. All the door handles, mirrors, all that stuff is new. It's actually got remote door poppers. Wood bed. You can see he's relocated the fuel tank, put a custom fuel tank in it. Pretty truck, man. I apologize. You're going to see some little streaks, guys. It's been snowing. We had rain all day yesterday, so we got nothing advertised. Snow today as it starts right now. Couple little touch-up marks there. These early 50s trucks are just so cool, man. They have a great look to them. This one's got a great sound. Firestone rubber all the way around it. 15-inch chrome reverse wheels. Again, kind of that old school look. Love the body lines on these things. Freezing cold. It's the wind, actually. Chrome reverse wheels. Got a good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. Front disc brakes. Good looking truck, man. Again, healthy 351 Cleveland. It's got the Edelbrock Performance package on it. 750 Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock Air Gap intake, Edelbrock Performer aluminum heads, Edelbrock camshaft. You can see it's got a nice set of ceramic headers. It's got a custom aluminum radiator with electric fans. It does have vintage air, power steering. Again, flip front end. This operates really nice. Double latch release. So there's one latch you kind of pull towards you, and then which opens the hood, you'll lift up, and then a secondary latch that you pull, and then it just this whole latching system just rolls it forward, which is really nice. Ford racing valve covers. You can see it's got a chrome air cleaner. Again, he's got the bullets on the wipers, but the wipers do work. Again, it's actually got keyless entry, door poppers, I don't know what you want to call it, electric door openers. Nicely done interior. Very comfortable, very nicely done. All new carpet. Sorry guys, just a little dust. Bench seat. And this is very comfortable, guys. Ididit chrome column in it with a Banjo steering wheel. Love the gauges. He's got SoCal gauges. Again, 850 miles on it. It's all vintage AC. Air blows ice cold. Love the Lokar shifter in there. Automatic overdrive transmission. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It has a 9-inch 350 rear end in it. Tailgate's functional. Again, custom fuel tank in it. I think he said it's 16 gallons. And a little mark there. Your tailgate there. Matter of fact, both of them. Looks like it touches there a little bit. It's all functional. Oh, those latches, yeah, it latches shut. Yeah. So it's got the latching system on it. Yeah, truck's nice underneath. Good looking truck, man. Again, fun to drive down the road. Ooh, my hands are about froze. Just a little dust on there, guys, if you're seeing that. Yeah, door handles, all that stuff's really nice. Did a nice job building this truck, man. Very drivable. All new mats. Love the Lokar shifter. One thing about it, the doors open and close really nice. Windy. Wind's rough. You can see it's got that mini torque starter. Turns your air on, it blows cold. Nasty little cam to it. You come out here and shut that, yeah. Oh, so they shut on it? Yeah, good. Thing operates and functions really nicely. Fits up nice. That's a cool little truck, man. Again, all steel. Gauges all work. It's got a custom radio in it. It's actually underneath the seat. I couldn't get it to come on. I don't know if I'm not a radio guy. If you've watched my videos before, guys, I'm not a radio man. Again, that all functions there. Radio's underneath. Again, it's all speed. It looks like it's all hooked up. I couldn't get it to power up, so again, doors open and shut real nice. Wipers do work. They do function. George knows I'm trying to. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but they do function. Just never put arms on them. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us.